Oddity Odyssey channel, Fun Science. Dear friends, recently a new research paper was accepted by the journal Nature and published on the Physics Archive archive.org on March 9, 2021. Scientific teams used the Hubble Space Telescope to study a distant exoplanet. This is an exoplanet that had lost its atmosphere, but recently it seems to be regenerating a new atmosphere. It might be a secondary atmosphere generated by the exoplanet's own activities. Let's join Fun Science in finding the answer in today.
Enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Oddity Odyssey channel and turn on the bell to always.
Now, let's go explore together. On November 12, 2015, scientists confirmed the existence of a distant exoplanet, named GJ1132b.
Shortly after its existence was confirmed, this planet did not receive much attention from the scientific community because it is a fairly common type of planet in outer space.
It orbits a red dwarf star and is tidally locked by its host star. Therefore, it seems the planet's original atmosphere had long been stripped away, leaving only a barren, harsh rocky surface. On the other hand, this exoplanet is 41 light-years away from Earth, so it seemed to have nothing special to interest scientists. But in April 2017, under observations from the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists discovered things they had never witnessed before.
It appears that GJ1132b is regenerating its atmosphere. Since that time, this exoplanet has garnered significant interest from scientists.
Summarizing observational data up to 2021, scientists believe that after GJ1132b lost its initial atmosphere, mainly hydrogen and helium, it became a bare world without an atmosphere. But for some reason, it is regenerating a new atmosphere. Under observations from the Hubble Space Telescope,
results show that the exoplanet's new atmosphere is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, and a haze rich in compounds similar to haze on Earth.
This is truly extremely peculiar. Historically, we have known that exoplanets, after formation, typically have atmospheres rich in hydrogen and helium.
But over time, under the radiation influence of a host star, the planet's primordial atmosphere gradually gets stripped away.
Just like our Mars once had a thick atmosphere, but it was blown away after Mars lost its magnetic field about 4 billion years ago.
So, what regenerated GJ1132b's atmosphere?
Please continue to explore with us.
Upon closer observation of the exoplanet, scientists noted that GJ1132b is quite large in size.
Its radius is about 1.13 times that of Earth, and its mass is about 1.66 times that of Earth. This indicates it is a rocky world larger than our Earth.
The exoplanet orbits a red dwarf at an average distance of 0.01153 astronomical units, equivalent to about 2.29 billion kilometers. At this distance, GJ1132b takes only about 1.6 Earth days to complete one orbital period. Thus, 1 year on this exoplanet is equivalent to just 1.6 days on Earth. With such a rapid orbital speed, the exoplanet is tidally locked by its host star. Therefore, one side is always scorched by the host star, while the other side remains in perpetual dark.
These factors lead scientists to believe that the surface of GJ1132b is a world with active volcanism.
And this could be the reason why the atmosphere is being regenerated. Using simulation models combined with observational data,
scientists suggest that gases are released during the melting of rocks on GJ1132b.
Additionally, the strong gravitational pull from the host star causes surface fractures on the exoplanet, allowing gas pockets to escape from the surface.
This could be the cause of the secondary atmosphere being generated. But when gas pockets are produced, they soon escape from the exoplanet into space.
Thus, they need to be continuously replenished to maintain that regenerated atmosphere. This indicates that the surface of GJ1132b is certainly a world with intense activity.
Scientists further explain,
the hydrogen in the exoplanet's current atmosphere is from the original atmosphere.
It was absorbed into the planet's molten magma layer and is now being released back into the atmosphere. It must be said that the discovery of an exoplanet with a regenerating atmosphere is an extremely fascinating thing. As we know, for life on Earth to exist, a suitable atmosphere is a prerequisite. Therefore, a planet being able to regenerate its own atmosphere makes us think of Earth in its primordial era. Perhaps in the distant future, this regenerated atmosphere will transform into an environment suitable for extraterrestrial life. Of course, the study's conclusions are primarily based on atmospheric observations and computational simulations. What scientists find most challenging is that with current technology, at a distance of 41 light-years, telescopes cannot yet observe activities on the planet's surface. Therefore, scientists are pinning their hopes on NASA's James Webb Space Telescope project. The project will become operational this fall, and they help scientists observe the surface activities of exoplanets through infrared observations. The host star that planet GZ1132b orbits is an M4-type dwarf star, smaller and dimmer than our Sun. Its radius is only about 21% of the Sun, and its brightness is less than 1% of the Sun's brightness. Therefore, at a distance of 41 light-years, we cannot see it with the naked eye. If you have a specialized telescope, you can see this star in the Vela constellation in the southern direction. The star has an apparent magnitude of 13.46, so it is very faint. In June 2018, when scientists used the ISO telescope at the La Silla Observatory in Chile, they discovered another sister planet of GZ1132b and named it GZ1132c. Using the radial velocity method, scientists estimated that GZ1132c has a mass about 2.6 times that of Earth, meaning it is significantly larger than GZ1132b and orbits its host star at about 0.0476 astronomical units, or 7.14 million kilometers. At this distance, the planet takes about 8.93 Earth days to complete one orbit. Its orbit lies within the star. However, scientists cannot observe and analyze this planet's atmosphere, so they cannot conclude about its ability to support life. Moreover, scientists suspect there is another super-Earth in this system. It has been temporarily named GZ1132d and has not yet been confirmed. Based on gravitational influence, scientists predict GZ1132d has a mass about 8.4 times that of Earth. If this is true, it would be the largest planet in the GZ1132 star system. Its orbit is predicted to be about 0.35 astronomical units from the host star, or 52.4 million kilometers. At this distance, it takes about 176.9 Earth days to complete one orbit. But unfortunately, it has not been confirmed yet. Hopefully, scientists will soon discover the presence of GZ1132d in the future. If this planet truly exists and has a suitable atmosphere, perhaps it is also a noteworthy candidate for habitable exoplanets in space. The discovery of GZ1132b's regenerated atmosphere opens up a new perspective for us on exoplanets. Who knows, one day other exoplanets might also regenerate their atmospheres, creating ideal environments for extraterrestrial life. So today, Top 2B and you had explored the exoplanet GZ1132b that is regenerating its atmosphere. Wishing you enjoyable video watching, and now please continue selecting videos on the left or right side of the screen to join Top 2B in unraveling other mysteries of the universe. Looking forward to seeing you in the next videos. Goodbye, everyone.